So it's finally time to say goodbye to my Samsung M5 monitor. The Samsung M5 monitor is not only a monitor, but a smart monitor. It works well for anybody who has an at-home application and is looking to replace a computer and a TV at the same time, and they're limited on space. But here's the thing, I'm not limited on space, and my job is predominantly not at home. This is why I have to bid this monitor adieu. And here's what I'm replacing it with. With this. This is the Dopesplay 14-inch lap dock. Not a laptop, a lap dock. By the way, I should also mention that this does have a 10,000 milliamp hour battery, so it actually charges your phone while you're using it. I noticed that while I was doing my vlog at the pizza shop, I sat there typing for about 20 minutes and the phone stayed at 100%. So in that strange way, it's a battery charger, and also keeps up to a 1 terabyte micro SD card in its slot right here. It also has a micro HDMI slot. Now essentially what a lap dock is a laptop format for your Samsung or Huawei phone, which has a Windows-like user interface built within the phone. On Samsung phones, it's Samsung DEX. And unlike the Samsung M5 monitor, this Dopesplay 14-inch laptop display is portable. So right now I'm plugged into my Samsung Tab S8 Ultra through a regular USB. So what I'm going to do now is plug into my work phone off that same port. The other one is plugged into the lap dock connection. Other side is a USB 3.02. And as you can see now, I am plugged into that phone. Completely different operating, completely different wallpaper, completely different phone, completely different computer. But the computer, remember, is on this phone. And to show you again, this is me unplugging it from the phone into my tablet, and it will boot up, it will do its thing, and it's back over into my tablet. And it's the same on my Galaxy Z Fold 4. And as you can see, plugged in, your touchscreen works just like any other touch laptop. You have pretty good brightness. There is a lot of monitor flex for the touchscreen. It's kind of flimsy, but this is a really thin piece of equipment. Just to give you an idea, this is my phone that it's next to and an S Pen that it's next to, and you see it's no thicker than a phone. Now, while I have it closed, a bit on quality, usually you want to kind of have it so that when you open up the laptop, it opens up with one finger. You kind of can't do it with this one, so there's that. So like, I guess the hinges should be maybe tighter, or in some cases more loose, because of, you know, this aforementioned problem. And another quick knock on quality, the actual laptop speakers are terrible. They fire out of those holes in the back of the keyboard. We'll compare. So the sound is the second big miss when it comes to this lap dock. And the third big miss that I've noticed, and I've only had this for less than 3 or 4 hours, is this is supposed to connect wirelessly. Okay, so I'm over here at Pizza and Grill, small pizza joint near my house, and I want to put my Dopesplay lap dock to the test, real world test. I'm in the middle of work right now. And one thing that's supposed to happen right here that doesn't is when I turn the laptop on by itself, under its own battery power, the screen doesn't stay on like it's supposed to. So what I have to do is hook up the cable, take my regular work phone, hook that up to the Dopesplay. And now from here, I should be able to have my Samsung DEX. So I just turned it on. All this is in real time. You're seeing this, me struggling. All right, Dopesplay now stays on.
This is an urgent message. The IRS is cracking down by sending out heart-stopping letters.
And it's up and running. So the wireless cast feature doesn't work as advertised as far as I can see. Or maybe if I upgrade to the higher end model, I'll be able to see I'll be able to use that cache feature, because at the end of the day, that's what you want to do. You want to just be able to leave your phone in your pocket and then just walk into your laptop to get your work done. Now, in real time, so it's my cheat day and we're going to get some real work done now. So you're seeing this in real time. I'm pulling up the internet right now. Quick check. I'm going to look at my house's cameras, make sure everything is working over there. And as you can see, I can just pretty much pull up anything, because this is technically a computer. And I don't know what's going on with the kid there, but you know, he's messing with the dog. It's just petting the dog, loving on the. We love our tech. And as you can see, I can just get all my work done here, which is really nice. And as you can see, I have my QuickBooks and my YouTube, so I can get my work done. And now I'm gonna go get me something to eat. So I'm done my lunch, and I need to do some work on the phone that I'm filming this with, so I'll do that right now. And now that I'm on my other business's phone, I can show you what I'm doing right now, which is simply getting an article ready for my main page on Facebook. Just doing a quick blog on what I think about the new Nest thermostat. And just in that last shot, you can see I was fiddling with the mouse a little bit there, but you can actually just use the touch screen, which is extremely accurate, but it does wobble a little bit, to get all your screenshots and all the things that you might need for your post. Now, it does have a black lit keyboard, so you can work in the dark. So it actually has a flow through option, so that if you're on your phone, the mouse automatically flows through onto the other screen. One of its last functions is it can go into a tent mode or completely collapse in on itself as a tablet. Now, if the wireless feature were working, this would be a great feature for, say, meetings or doing presentations, or what I wanted to use this for was going to special events and advertising Houston's home automation. I can still do that, and what's even cooler is I can still control it from the laptop or the Samsung tablet or any phone that just might be around, as long as it's Samsung, Huawei, or Oppo. I think Oppo does this too. Does Oppo do this? Oppo, yeah. So anyway, that's been my transitional vlog inside of SmartThings, from the Samsung M5 smart monitor to the Dopesplay laptop.